Welcome to another video. I'm just at this little dam. I needed to get out of the house for a little while. With everything going on, it kind of gets to you staying at home the whole time. So I'm just trying to relax, yeah, but I think it's kind of dangerous, so I'm more paranoid than relaxed actually. This tree also looks kind of cool. When they burned this grass, kind of got to this tree. It's still green though. So this place is like 3 minutes drive from my house. It's kind of nice. It used to be like a small resort where people could come to and rent jet skis or fish or whatever. It's not very big, but it was kind of nice a few years ago. It's now just abandoned, nothing special. It's kind of sad actually. I found this old abandoned building just over there, so I'm gonna see if I can explore a bit.
Okay, here we go. Sorry if the sound is bad. I'm using a very cheap microphone inside my helmet. So, here we go. So I think I'm allowed to be here. There's other people. It looks like they're living here. Yeah, so like I said, this place used to be actually very nice. So the abandoned building is just over there. Actually a nice spot over here. Wait, watch out for that tree. Okay, so another thing, the police station is like right next door to the building, so hopefully they don't hear me. But there's also people walking around over there, so also no boards saying keep out or something. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's about 2 weeks ago on a Sunday, I drove around over here, and I think it's pretty cool. So there's the building, and there's the police station. Oh my, there we go. See people just stealing everything. Oh damn. I think this used to be like a sports center or something, because there's squash courts over there. And then I think, if I can remember correctly, there's some tennis courts back here. See how this goes. Oh, I like butter. Some more courts. Oh, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seems to be. Oh no. Fail.
hola.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back
Here we go.
to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
Oh my goodness. Oh shit. I want to drive over that.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up and you think back.
Oh, and I remember now, there's a swimming pool down that hole.
Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time.
So this used to be a bar. And there was a gym. This is like a big hall. There's a stage and everything in there.
Now you're out of time.
I have no idea what this was. It's huge. Yeah, so there's a police station. So, trying to be quiet. Don't draw too much attention. There's two guys over there. Driving school over here. Nice.
Close my eyes so I can see. Memories recall. You were right in front of me. Scared to lose it all. I believe you could be the light through all the dark.
So this was also very nice, like an Olympic-sized swimming pool. There was a huge diving board over there. It was kind of nice. It's very sad. I think it's actually kind of dangerous being here. Like, I won't stop and just sit around.
You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me, we were close but so far away. You and me, we were close but so far away.
people now. This is so funny, actually. Like, the police station is right across the road and people are just coming here, taking what they want. Woo, this is scary. There's a stage and everything. Oh, I'm gonna get a flat tire, yeah, definitely. Damn.
Stop. This is another cool spot I found, about 10 minutes drive from my house. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. As you can see down here. Can't wait for summer. Oh no. That sucks. What was that? Anyway, so I think I'm just gonna sit over there and not over there because the water is wet. Let's try this again. That was so cold. Anyway, if you're still watching, thank you so much. You have to be so bored. Fly. I'm just kidding. Like I said at the end of my previous video, I do have a new exciting project coming up. Still in the planning part of everything. Wow. So the first piece of the puzzle I'm picking up tomorrow, I think. So when I edit this video, I'll just put a picture of it in. Has something to do with water. Also at the end of the last video, I tried to do burnout with my car. But I think because I'm holding my foot on the brake to keep the car stationary, it's not liking it. The ECU still picks up that something is wrong. So I think I'm gonna disconnect the back ABS sensors, but I don't wanna compromise safety, like for the ABS not to work anymore. This wasn't the most exciting video, but like 2 weeks ago when I went there, there was maybe 2 or 3 people around. So the plan was today to go where the stage is and have some fun, but there's like nails and broken glass and everything. laying around, so I didn't want to risk it. Hopefully I don't have a puncture. I haven't looked yet. Please remember to like the video, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I have a few plans coming up, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.